Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. This is just a very quick tip, something you can add to your ATC cards, to your art journals, and it's also an oldie but a goodie. I've done this video probably a few years back, but we're going to do it now. So, this is an envelope, and you know I love to recycle, I love to reuse, and this is one of the ways you can do it with your alcohol inks. You know how you get the things in the mail and it has the cellophane? Well, you can do several things. I'm just going to cut the words off. I think I'm going to leave those blue there because that's just what I feel like doing. And then you can either do it from the inside or out. It's up to you. I'm going to do it from the inside. Can you see where I'm going? Okay. And then take a few of the colors that you love of your alcohol inks. Let's do, I like to start a little lighter. This is a yellow shade. And of course you can, maybe let's do this. We'll put a little bit on, you know, maybe you have a matte or whatever. I'm just going to use my Pearl-Ex brush. And I'm just going to kind of add it in. And when you go back, you're going to have ink. Now, of course, you can do the normal, you know, drip and drab and, you know, whatever you want to do. If you want to do both, why not? You know, I'm all about let's do everything that we can to make our products work for us in a way that's, you know, it might not normally. Cal, finish the sentence. Oh my gosh. It has been, I don't even know what day I'm on. I'm going to tell you the truth. It's been one of those weeks that it's like, ugh, I don't know what's wrong with me. Let's do a little white and then we'll do a little darker. You can use your, oh gosh, Cal, I just saw it. You can use a sponge. You can use your tool that comes with it, which is around here somewhere. You can use whatever you want. You can use your blending solution. Maybe we'll do that too. Maybe a little bit right there. Okay. I don't know, do Ranger, do they sell white? I don't know if they do or not. I've not seen it, but that doesn't mean that they don't have it. All right, so you can see I'm just playing, you know, gonna add it in. Drip and move it around. You can go back in. Remember, it dries fast. But you can go in and add some more. You could take your brush and pull it, you know, so you get a different kind of look. Just a little bit here and there. And then what happens is, look at that. So this can go on, you know, an ATC card. It can go in your art journal. You can cut all the white off all around it and just have that and glue it down with Mod Podge or whatever and just have a blast. You can take your, where did it go? Come on now. Oh gosh, my brain. I just had it. It's right in front of me. The blending solution. You can put a little bit down in a palette or what have you, and you can go in and you can, let me just clean this brush off a little bit, and you can blend it. Like I said, you can do all kinds of stuff. You can write on it. It doesn't matter. Use those alcohol inks. Don't be afraid to buy when they're on clearance or on sale if you have a couple bucks and you want to try them, because there's ways you can do it without having everything that, you know, they sell for. But look how cool. So that's my little tip. Tip today. Yeah. All right. And then I would just rinse this off. No big deal. And this will be dry and ready to use. So let me know what you guys think about this. And maybe you have a tip on what to do. I am going to play and do, might play on a canvas. I have another tip for this, but I will, I'm not going to make this too long. you know, I will do it in another video. But as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much. I hope you guys have a fantastic day and that you guys, if you use it, you tag me and let me see it. I love you guys. Bye.